All right, it is Sunday. I decided to take yesterday off and just do absolutely nothing. And it was nice and much needed. So today we are going to fill up holes. It is windy. First thing we're gonna do is put on some gloves because the carb cleaner I use, I have a real sensitive skin and it tends to dry me out, and I use it a lot in work, and I think over time it's just dried my skin out pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is use B12 Chemtool. We're going to spray it on the surfaces. Basically, I'm just getting dirt and any oils off of the areas we're going to patch. Some of these spots I'm going to insulate. I'm going to repair on the inside and out, because these ones here where the rivets were are hard to get the Eternabond tape behind. So we'll just do it from the outside in and try to do from the inside out. Just double coverage so I know it's done. This Eternabond is what I used on the roof of the motorhome to secure down my Starlink cable when I installed it. A link to that video will be below. This stuff is amazing. It's sticky. The worst part is trying to get the backing off. And of course, I trimmed my fingernails last night, so it makes it even harder. You remove that. What we're gonna do is plaster it on that hole with the hole right in the center. And we're gonna use the back of the scissors. Oh, you missed all that. You can see right here. What we're gonna do is rub this down. Perfect. We'll do that on that hole and also that hole over there. So this one I'm doing a little bit different. I left the backing on and put it in this area. Now I'm going to take the backing off so I can get it from side to side. Let me rephrase that. Attempt to take the backing off. There we go. Okay, now that both corners are done, I'm gonna do the lower wall portion. It'll be inside and out. I've discovered that I'm going to still have a leak on the back 2 corners because I cannot get to those until I get the garage door off. And I can get to them, but it won't be satisfied with the results until the garage door's off and out before we frame up the back. So that's going to be a long weekend situation. Maybe I'll frame this up next weekend. Okay, down to the lower portion on the inside, and then we'll work the way out. All right, so I just noticed a big problem. So down here, kind of hard to see on the camera, but do you see the daylight? I never noticed that before, and I don't think that was there before until I hammered these out. So by trying to fix a problem, we created another problem. See that right there? So that's gonna leave us with having to Eternabond the entire exterior. And with that, it's not a problem. Riding down on my elevator. It's not a problem. It's just from here all the way down the box is gonna have to be Eternabond. I'm okay doing that. That's a long seam. So with that, see these rivets that are here? This one's missing. This one, this one, this one, and that's it. That was a problem on the inside, which I knew. What I'm going to do is we're going to create flashing like this. So here's the wall, Eternabond tape over that seam and down, so it'll just flash over. It's not exactly what I wanted to do, but I think that's the best solution. Yep, so that's what I'm gonna do. Put the Eternabond all the way down the side, and fill it up. Fill it up, make it work. I'm gonna check one thing God, that wind, I'm sorry everybody. One thing I did not do was check the opposite side. And the opposite side is perfectly fine. I mean, it appears perfectly fine, but that side also didn't get hit. So note to self, if you're looking at buying a box truck, make sure there's no damage on the outside, because with that there's going to be damage on the inside. And it can be repaired. It's not life-ending. It's just an extra step that I didn't anticipate doing, but it's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. I'm gonna get started. I'm procrastinating. Since it's so windy, we're gonna go ahead and take a journey to a barn, well, not a barn, to a wash bay, so that way I can get out of the wind since it's so windy, and put on the tape as we talked about. So just started the box truck, warming up, high idle this, get some temperature in it. Box truck has 171,887 miles. I love the extended cab. Got some extra coolant there. Parts and pieces for I don't remember what I got, but it's there. I need to look in that box too. But these seats are pretty comfortable, and it's a big cab. So it's great because I'll have extra storage in back here. It's good.